Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste children. Today I am going to teach you Shabda Rupani. This is for class 6 CBSE students. Okay? Listen carefully children. Akarantaha Pumlingaha Balaka Shabdaha. Who is called as Balakaha? Balakaha means boy. Okay children? Listen. Prathama Vibhaktihi Balakaha Balakau Balakaha Dvitiya Vibhaktihi Balakam Balakau Balakan Tritiya Vibhaktihi Balakena Balakabhyam Balakaihi Chaturthi Vibhaktihi Balakaya Balakabhyam Balakebhyaha Panchami Vibhaktihi Balakat Balakabhyam Balakebhyaha Sashthi Vibhaktihi Balakasya Balakayoho Balakanam Saptami Vibhaktihi Balake Balakayoho Balakeshu Sambodhana Prathama Vibhaktihi He Balaka He Balakau He Balakaha Yevameva Nripa Deva Rama Pitamaha Pandita Ityadi Akaranta Pullinga Shabdanam Rupani Bhavanti. What is meant by that? Like this Balaka Shabda, we can also say Nripa Shabdaha. Nripaha, Nripau, Nripaha, Nripam, Nripau, Nripan, like Balaka Shabda. Okay? Deva Shabda, we can say Deva Shabda. Devah Devo Devaha, Devam Devo Devane. Okay, children? Then Rama Shabdaha. Like Balaka Shabdaha, you can recite Rama Shabdaha. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Okay? So, all these Shabdas we can recite like Balaka Shabda. Okay, children? Then we have a Strilinga Shabda. Strilingaha means feminine gender Shabda. Okay? Listen carefully children. Akarantaha Strilingaha Balika Shabdaha Ekavachanam Dvivachanam Bahuvachanam Prathama Vibhaktihi Balika Balike Balikaha Dvitiya Vibhaktihi Balikam Balike Balikaha Tritiya Vibhaktihi Balikaya Balikabhyam Balikabhihi Chaturthi Vibhaktihi Balikayai Balikabhyam Balikabhyaha Panchami Vibhaktihi Balikayaha Balikabhyam Balikabhyaha Sashthi Vibhaktihi Balikayaha Balikayoho Balikanam Saptami Vibhaktihi Balikayam Balikayoho Balikasu Sambodhana Prathama Vibhaktihi He Balike He Balike He Balikaha Yevameva Lata Rama Mala Kalika Ityadinam Akaranta Strilinga Shabdanam Rupani Bhavanti. What is meant by that? That means like this Balika Shabdaha, you can recite Lata, Rama, Mala, Kalika. How? You can say like this Balika, Balike, Balikaha, right? Like this you can also say Lata, Late, Lataha, Latam, Late, Lataha. Okay? Then you take one more Shabda. Rama. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Ramam, Rame, Ramaha. Okay, children? Then you can also recite Mala Shabdaha. Mala, Male, Malaha. Okay? So that only they have given like this. Okay? Then we have a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Okay? Napumsakalingaha means neuter gender. Okay, children? Listen here. Akarantaha napumsakalingaha pushpa shabdaha एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं प्रथमा विभक्तिः पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि द्वितीया विभक्तिः पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि तृतीया विभक्तिः पुष्पेन पुष्पाभ्यां पुष्पैः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः पुष्पाय पुष्पाभ्यां पुष्पेभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः पुष्पात् पुष्पाभ्यां पुष्पेभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिः पुष्पस्य पुष्पयोः पुष्पाणां सप्तमी विभक्तिः पुष्पे पुष्पयोः पुष्पेषु संबोधन प्रथमा विभक्तिः हे पुष्प हे पुष्पे हे पुष्पाणि. ओके, लाइक दिस, एवमेव लाइक दिस. फल पुस्तक नगर मित्र उद्यान इत्यादीनां अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग शब्दानां रूपाणि भवन्ति. That means like this pushpa shabdah you can also recite phala shabdah. You say children? Yes, you are right. Phalam phale phalani phalam phale phalani phalena phalabhyam phalaihi. Okay children? Then pustaka shabda. You say? Yes, you are right. Pustakam pustake pustakani pustakam pustake pustakani then pustakena pustakabhyam pustakaihi. Okay, actually in all these three genders the napumsakalinga shabda is very easy because from the third vibhakti it is like the pullinga shabda. Okay children, now ikarantaha pumlingaha muni shabdah. Okay, ikarantaha pumlingaha muni shabdah. We have two more shabdas. Listen here children. Muni shabdaha, ikarantaha pumlingaha muni shabdaha. Who is called as muni? Muni means sage. Okay, ekavachanam dvivachanam bahuvachanam prathama vibhaktihi munihi muni munayaha dvitiya vibhaktihi munim muni munin tritiya vibhaktihi munina मुनिभ्यां मुनिभिः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः मुनये मुनिभ्यां मुनिभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः मुनेः मुनिभ्यां मुनिभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिः मुनेः मुन्योः मुनीनां सप्तमी विभक्तिः मुनौ मुन्योः मुनिषु संबोधन प्रथमा विभक्ति हे मुने हे मुनि हे मुनयः. Okay, like this muni shabda you can also recite kavi hari ravi kapi. Okay children, how you take this munihi muni munayah, right? Instead of muni you take the word kapi, kapihi kapi kapayah kapim kapi kapin. Okay, like this. Then you take hari, harihi hari harayaha harim hari harin. Okay children, good. Then we have one more shabda, bhanu shabdaha. Okay, ukarantaha pumlingaha bhanu shabdaha ekavachanam dvivachanam bahuvachanam prathama vibhaktihi bhanuhu bhanu bhanavaha द्वितीया विभक्तिः भानुं भानु भानून् तृतीया विभक्तिः भानुना भानुभ्यां भानुभिः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः भानवे भानुभ्यां भानुभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः भानोः भानुभ्यां भानुभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिः भानोः भान्वोः भानूनां सप्तमी विभक्तिः भानौ भान्वोः भानुषु संबोधन प्रथमा विभक्तिः हे बानो हे भानु हे भानवः. Okay, like this bhanu shabdah, you can also recite this one. Shishu shabdah, shishuhu, shishu, shishavah, shishum, shishu, shishun. Okay, like this bhanu shabda, you can also recite sadhu shabdah, sadhu, sadhu, sadhavah, sadhum, sadhu, sadhun. Okay, then you can also recite guru shabdah. You can also say Vishnu shabdah. Okay.